Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today, on the occasion of the 78th Independence Day of India, we are going to perform on the national song Vande Mataram,
which is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. I am going to play Vande Mataram on the sarod. Vande Mataram is based on Rag Desh.
and I am going to incorporate the Adavus in the small piece. So here it is.